Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So, hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito sisimulan pero I'm just trying to do a new series here sa YouTube channel ko where I'll be sharing my life as a freelancer. So, let's reintroduce myself sa mga bagong viewers. So, my friends, and yeah, so I am Joe Amarjon. You can call me JJ for shorts. I am 34 years old. I graduated 2012 ng nursing. Tapos after ko mag-board exam, I flew sa Myanmar kasi I had the opportunity to work there as a creative assistant and everything in between sa isang TV station there. Tapos apart from the full-time job sa isang TV station in Myanmar, I was also doing side hustles. Nag-fashion style ako. Tapos natuto rin akong gumawa ng contents, ng photos, videos, kasi I created a page called OOTD Myanmar. So, doon, natuto ako mag-collaborate sa digital marketing, sa social media. Tapos, from time to time, gumagawa rin kami ng film ng partner ko. So, we did our own advocacy sa film. Tapos, 3 or 4 years ago, I had to go back here in the Philippines. Tapos, yeah, na parang after what happened in Myanmar, parang I came back here and I had no idea. Parang nag-isip pa ako kung anong gagawin ko. It's either I wanted to go to a work full-time. Tapos, I just said to myself, I'll be doing freelance. So yeah, I'm just gonna share sa inyo my freelance work. So here in the Philippines, I've been doing freelance for 3 years. Meron ako mga side hustles before, pero now lang yung parang full-time talaga na parang freelance. So I just wanna share sa inyo ano yung mga freelance work na ginagawa ko or what I do as a creative here in the Philippines. So una, ang main source of income ko talaga is I create podcast for people. Tapos, pangalawa, I have social media. So, may mga brands din. I collaborate and create videos for them. Pangatlo, I have affiliates sa Lazada. Hindi siya ganun kalaki. So, if you're interested about affiliate links or kung magkano kinikita ko, just comment down below. Tapos, yung pang-apat ko naman is YouTube. Itong YouTube na to. Pero usually, I don't earn from here kasi dinodonate ko naman yung kinikita ko dito sa YouTube. And yung fifth na ginagawa ko as a freelancer or creative, I don't know how to label myself. Siguro freelance creative na lang. Number 5 ko is I do also fashion styling. And at the same time, I also have a slow fashion shop. So, ang dami kong gustong gawin. Hindi ko rin talaga ma-determine kung ano yung focus ko right now. So, siguro I created this YouTube channel. I just wanna share sa inyo how I want to focus or magkaroon ng niche sa ginagawa ko kasi I'm doing a lot of things. So parang now, ang dami kong gustong gawin. I wanna focus on my brand. I wanna focus on doing podcast. But at the same time, you know, I am privileged enough that I was able to save money. So parang I have my own pace. Hindi rin naman ako magastos. So yeah, that's all about me. And I just wanna share sa inyo what's like as a freelance creative here in the Philippines. So, let's go. Hi friends, medyo late nagising. Parang gusto ko tumakbo pero yeah, katatapos ko lang ayusin yung mga dadalhin ko. Nag-downsize na rin ako. Tapos yeah, I'm just going to go there. Tapos, doon ko na rin tatapusin yung lecture ko. Hindi pa tapos. At yun yung dadalhin ko. Yun. 2 bag lang. Isang maleta, tapos isang plastic. Sako. Para hindi tayo mahirapan. Now, hindi ko lang tayo. Pero ito gawa na.
Tinindog mo ba yun?
Record na ba? So we're done. We're done setting up. So ito yung wristband. Good job. Buti pa siya. Susunod ka. Nagbabara na naman po sa ilang po. Next year. Sinasabi mo na yung nafe-feel mo na parang, kasi parang believe na. Wala na naman. Ito yung layer niya. So, ikot.
So kapag upo ako, kailangan pa dito nakagila na. Pagpatayo ko siya doon sa TV.
I'm just editing a music video. I've been so delayed uploading my YouTube video, but yeah, I shot a music video reaction, so now I'm editing it. So I'm gonna, hopefully I can post it today. So yeah, let's go. And for my reactions, I use iMovie. It's easier, but for my videos that are really more complicated, I kinda use Filmora. But for this one, it's very chill now. So I am currently going to record a reaction vlog. So yeah, usually may nagre-request. So parang now what I'm doing is pinapump up ko na talaga yung YouTube channel ko, yung podcast na ginagawa ko. So yeah, hopefully hopefully it will ripple the effect. So yeah, I'm not really giving up on creating YouTube videos. So parang I'm just creating quality muna. Quantity. Kung gaano kadami muna. I post on podcast, tapos I post on my YouTube channel. So parang, I just wanna just post. At the end of the day, I wanna see kung ano yung mag-work at hindi mag-work. So yeah, let's record na. reaction. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Parang that's like the glimpse of what I do here in the Philippines as a freelance creative. So I just want to share sa inyo na marami pa tayong videos na gagawin. So yeah, I just want to share this journey on finding myself as a freelance creative kasi ang dami ko gusto gawin. But yeah, I hope you still join in my next videos. And if you have questions, just comment it down below. And goodbye. See you on to the next video.